Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Angel. This is Angel Illustrations, and I'm back again with a new marker piece. And a little bit different on this one. It's not just going to be a portrait study, as they have been. Recorded on 2 cameras, so things are a bit weird with my angles. But yeah, I wanted to do something a little bit more illustrative. And I'd seen a lot about these duality pieces over the years. And I've had it in my head about doing a duality piece since 2 years ago, minimum. Kept trying to plan it, never quite worked out for 1,000,001 different reasons. But I managed to sit down and get it going. So yeah, it's a duality piece. So we've got 2 sides of the coin. And in terms of markers, it's the Arteza Everblend Markers. I used quite a lot of Spectrum Noir in this one. I've got a good range of grey Spectrum Noir pens that all seem to work together. Quite a uniform colour. Those pens are uncomfortable as anything. They always make me cramp up, but hey, what can you do? Also used some pit markers from Faber-Castell, and of course promarkers from Winsor and Newton. Now, this piece I didn't expect to go well because, well, my previous attempts with grayscale work didn't go very well in the past, and I ended up trying to colour it in, and quite an unsatisfying piece, really. And in that respect, it led to a major mistake in the fact that I used the Winsor and Newton marker paper, which in itself is great. I've used it many times before, but when you have a better marker paper in the wall, it's a superior end product, really. Winsor and Newton paper is great, but it's very thin. But anyway, I was progressing really, really well on this, and yes, my gorgeous son was born. Kind of puts a halt on everything. But back to the piece. I do have baby brain, I apologise. As I said, if I'd used a thicker paper, I think the results would have been far better. Canson's The Wall is so good that I kind of regret not using it. But what am I going to do? I didn't want to redraw it because the first part came out so well. And that's really it. Now, if you excuse me, I'm going to go spend some time with my son. If you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe. You know the deal. I'll see you when I've come to terms with being a father. Take it easy.